In this video, I'll show you how to pin a post on Facebook in just a few simple steps. Pinning a post allows you to keep an important post at the top of your profile or page so people see it first when they visit. This is useful for announcements, updates, or any post you want to highlight. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile or the page where the post was shared. Scroll down until you find the post you want to pin. Once you find the post, tap on the three dots in the top corner of that post. A menu will appear with several options. From the list, tap on Pin Post. As soon as you select it, the post will move to the top of your profile and stay there above all other posts. If you ever want to remove it later, you can tap the three dots on the pin post again and select Unpin Post. And that's it. That's how you can pin a post on Facebook. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.